Good evening, everyone. Road repair work will be completed by June 15. JSTO action will not take leave during rainy days. Potholes on all roads will be filled by June 15. WhatsApp number 9999001316 has been issued by the PWD department. If you see potholes anywhere, you can take a photo and send it to this number. It will be fixed within a week. The Deputy Commissioner informed that recently Public Works Minister Ranbir Gangwa has issued these orders in a review meeting held regarding road repair. According to his instructions, in whichever area the officers have been given additional charge, they should also fix days in the department and be present in the concerned office on the specified days. He said that as per the instructions of the minister, quality is also being checked. Works are going on for the rainy season. During this time, JSDO action at extra will not go on leave. J's duty will be on the road and plant. If any irregularity irregularities are found anywhere, the company will be blacklisted. The name and the mobile number of the action, SDOJ, and contractor related to the constructions work should be written on the signboards on the roads. Every month, SC Action will inspect 18 roads and send a report. Similarly, the poles installed in the middle of the roads will be removed. A proposal is being made on the instructions of Chief Minister Sri Naib Singh Saini. When will spread awareness under Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme? The Women and Child Development Department, in collaboration with the district administration, is organizing an awareness van rally with the aim of spreading awareness under the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme. This rally will go to village with low sex ratio in the district. The awareness van was flagged off by Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma. The aim of this rally is to make people aware about the importance of girls and to need maintain a healthy sex ratio. The aim of the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme is to bring a positive change in the attitude of people towards girls and promote their education and empowerment. The district administration aims to reach out to the people living in rural areas through this awareness van rally and educate them about the benefits of the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme. The forest awareness rally will go to the village of Panchgaon, Jitpura, Bhariwas, Dohka, Khoda, नांधा बरसाना बिलावल खातीवास फोगाट आदमपुर घसोला मायखोर्द. Pay special attention to the enrollment of children below 5 years of age. Pay special attention to the enrollment of children below 5 years of age in the district so that no child is left out of Aadhaar card enrollment. Citizens should keep mobile number and documents updated in Aadhaar card to get various government facilities. Documents update facilities is free till June 14, 2025. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma directed the health department officials to organize Aadhaar camps in hospital and vaccination centers to enroll newborns and children below 5 years of age. He also directed the officials to regularly inspect Aadhaar enrollment centers to ensure proper functioning. He has also appealed to the citizens to get a mandatory biometric update MBU done owning the age of 5 years and 15 years. This facility is free for children aged 5, 7 years and 15. He directed the education department to prepare a roster for the movement of kids to schools to achieve this objective, and said that UIDI has issued the official list of authorized centers for updating Aadhaar enrollment and related activities. Any center operating outside this list will be considered unauthorized. He asked the concerned officials to ensure that only authorized centers are functional for this necessary action, and many unauthorized operations should be identified and closed by taking immediate action. All citizens should keep their mobile numbers and documents updated in Aadhaar to avail various government facilities seamlessly. Appointment with doctor in hospitals and under problems will be resolved in one call. Haryana Health Department has taken a big initiative to provide online citizen services to the people of the state on behalf of the state government led by Chief Minister Sri Naib Singh Saini. Through this new initiative of the government, now the facilities of toll-free number dial 104 has been made available to get any appointment with a doctor in the hospital of the state. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that complaints related to health services can also be registered on this. After this, the complainant will be called back within a period of 5 days. Information about medicines can be obtained on this. He said that the main objective of this initiative of the government is to save people from the hassle of standing in long queues in civil hospitals. Through this facility, now by calling on dial 104, time can be taken to consult a doctor in advance. This will facilitate treatment in a smooth manner without any hindrance. The deputy government has decided to give disability pension to people suffering from 21 serious disease. The applicant must be a resident of Haryana. The state government, led by Chief Minister Sri Naib Singh Saini, has decided to provide disability pension to eligible for suffering from 21 serious disease. Giving information about this decision of the state government, Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that for this, the age of the applicant should be more than 18 years and he should be resident of Haryana and should have been living in Haryana for 3 years at the time of applying. He had said that the annual income of the applicant from all sources should not exceed 3 lakh rupees. He had said that on March 3, 2025, the government has included 21 diseases for disability pension. This include disabled people unable to walk, leprosy, cerebral palsy, muscular dystrophy, blindness, low vision, hearing impairment, speech and language disability, intellectual disability, specific learning disability, autism, spectrum disorder, mental illness, long-term urological disease, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, sickle cell disease, multiple disabilities, hemophilia, thalassemia, acid attack victim, and Devar Firjam at Extra, the Deputy Commissioner, has said that the eligible persons related to this disease will be provided the benefit of the disability pension. To avail the benefit of disabled pension, a certificate of 60% or more disability has to be obtained from the civil surgeon office. Disabled pension can be made by updating this disability certificate in the family identity card. Instructions to Haryana government employees remain present at the headquarters. Do not leave the station till further orders, Charkhi Dadri. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that the Haryana government has instructed that officers and employees of various departments, boards, corporations, undertakings, and universities at extra should establish their headquarters or station with the state. Apart from this, no apply should leave his headquarters or station till further orders. Instructions to this, in fact, have been issued by the Chief Secretary's office. He said that as per the instructions of the government, orders have been issued the officers and employees of the district, and they have been told to keep their mobiles on. So thank you very much for this watching PPT News, and friends, I am humble request, please subscribe our channel. So thank you very much. नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, जय हिंद, जय भारत, टेक केयर.